Hello friends, welcome to smartautotool.com. In this video, I gave you a tour of our website and services that we provide. On the home page, you can check our contact number, our support time, our social network accounts, the blog section, some of our services that we provide, contact us, our address, and again our social account. Click on services to see what services we provide. We are on services page. We have Facebook Messenger marketing. It's specially designed for Facebook page. Social account management, you can manage your multiple social network plus multiple social accounts in this tool. Traffic booster and exchange, you can increase traffic by visiting other users website. Instagram auto tool, Instagram auto direct message marketing, Twitter auto tool, WhatsApp auto tool, billing software, website notification, smart bot maker for Facebook page, live planner, you can go live with pre-recorded video with this tool. Website, we also provide website designing, e-commerce website, customer relationship management software, human resource management software, chassis system, Android app hosting, Google My Business marketing software, visitor analytics and SEO tool, chat website, affiliate, reseller, freelance work, SMS marketing, email marketing, LinkedIn email scraper, official WhatsApp marketing tool, API permissions, and you can also contact us for freelance work. Okay, if you need more detail, just click on the detail button. Scroll down and you can read the all detail of this tool. You can send the bulk message camping, auto comment tool, lead generator, it's for Facebook page. Click on login and sign up. For the tool, go back and click on that tool. The second one is social account management tool. Click on detail. So in this tool you can manage your multiple social network with multiple social accounts. It's very powerful tool. Okay, so for every tool just click on detail. It's land you on detail page. Okay, the next services is we also provide affiliate program. Just click on affiliate, sign in, sign up. If you not register with us, fill the detail, username, email, first name, last name, website if you have a password, phone number, accept term and condition, click on Google reCAPTCHA and register. After clicking on the register button, you will receive a verification email. You have to click on the link and after that your account will activated. You can earn 30% off on each sale. In detail, if someone purchase $100 with your affiliate link, you get $30 of your commission. You can check packages, about us, our blog, and if you need help, we have knowledge base. You can contact us via email, via WhatsApp, via Telegram, and also have YouTube channel. Just click on it. Contact us. You can see our phone number, email address, our location, our social account, and you can also send mail from here. So thanks for watching this video. In next video I give you more detail of our tools.